these for us, but first what I want to do is to combine everything that we've learned so far and do this still in a blank that we have. Okay? So, this is going to tell us what happens when people specialize. Okay, and we learned that that is when individuals, regions, and countries produce certain kinds of goods or services. So, people use blank. What do you think we use? The very first lesson we talked about. What do people use? Hayden? Resources. That's in your first blank. Okay? To produce what and what? What do you think? Oliver? Goods and services. Good job. You all right, Caitlin? Okay. Just checking. Looks like you hit your mouth there. I'm slowing down. Yep, I will. Just a second, Haley. We need to slow down. Some of my friends asked to slow down, so we're going to slow down a little. Okay. And human wants are what? So if we have, remember, it's that we did the popcorn activity with it. So if our resources are limited, our human wants are what? Haley? Unlimited. Good job. Okay. Which creates what? Who remembers what that creates? Someone other than, okay, Allison, good. Remember that word? Ashley, do you remember? Scarcity, good job. Remember that was the activity we did with the popcorn and the marshmallows? Okay? And because of scarcity, people have to make what? What do people have to make, Theodore?
Decisions.
Not decisions, but that would work, but what do we have to make? Trinity. Choices. It's a SCARICIT. Why? You're fine. You're with us. Okay. They make choices about what goods and services they will produce. This is called what? We just learned it today. Hint the word. It's right here. I kind of give you a hint. Ivan. Not service. Caitlin. Specialization. We're going to learn about today because remember we've already learned about all these things and now we're down to the very bottom. Okay? And Theodore, you can write as I talk, bud. Because people specialize, they have to get the goods and services they do not produce through. It was the other big word we learned. Nevin. Oh my goodness. Haley. There we go. You know what it is? So close. Interdependence. Okay? Which makes people more what? Hayden. What do you think? If we rely on, if we have to get things from other places, it's going to make us more what? Forgot? How about this word? Okay? It's going to make us more dependent on other goods. That is a This book's going to tell us a little bit about interdependence. Okay? It's going to help us learn about it. So what you're going to do is I'm going to pass out some cards. Okay? There are, what were the 3 resources that we've learned? I need someone to name me one. Jennifer.
Capitals.
Capitals 1. Ivan. Naturals, and what's the last one? Alyssa. Human. Okay? There are those 3 resources in here. Okay? it don't matter if you get a capital, a natural, a human. It's gonna have to. We're gonna read the story, and you'll see how it's gonna work. So I'm going to pass out these cards.